Energy Measuring Unit EcoMonitorPlus Number 1 Setup Mode 1. The contents are as follows. In this video, EMU4HM1MB Basic Unit and EMU4VA2 Extension Unit are connected and demonstrated. Other devices can be set and measured in the same way. A dedicated small-size display unit EMU4D65 is required for EcoMonitorPlus settings. From now on, we will start the demonstration using EMU4D65. Connection. Caution: do not work with EcoMonitorPlus powered to prevent electrical shock. Caution: any person who is involved in the installation and the wiring of this unit should be fully completed to do this work. Be sure to check power is off. Plug in the connector to the socket display of the energy measuring unit. Do firmly insert until it clicks into place. Plug in the connector to the socket in one of the display unit EMU4D65. Turn on the power. Measuring setup. Measurement can be started by setting at least the first three items: phase, wire type, rated voltage, rated current. The setting list is as follows. The setting values are shown in blue. Without pushing the phase key, the changes will be discarded. To set other circuit, push the circuit key and set. Push the setup key in operation mode. Push the plus or minus key, and change the wiring type. Push the plus or minus key, and select using VT or non-use. Push the plus or minus key, and change the value of the primary voltage. Push the plus or minus key, and select sensor type. Push the plus or minus key, and change the primary current value. Measurement can be started by setting at least the first three items: phase, wire type, rated voltage, rated current. Push the up or down key, and select the display mode. Push the up or down key, and move the cursor to target element. Push the plus or minus key, and choose the selected or deselected. The selectable number of elements is up to 4. Push the plus or minus key, and change the demand time value. Push the plus or minus key, and change the demand time value. Push the up, down, plus, minus key, and change the conva rate value in unit. Push the up, down, plus, minus key, and change the set value. Push the plus or minus key, and select simple measurement on or off. After setting all of the items, push the setup key. When save the settings, push the up or down key, move the cursor to the one saved, and push the phase key. After completing the settings, saving completed message will be displayed. Push the phase key. Return to the operation mode, and it will be displayed electric energy screen.